And we had a mission, man. Day $1 is literal, right? So it was literal and it's, ideological, I guess you could say. But the literal standpoint was when I decided to break off of that fitness company I helped build. My wife moves home with her parents. Our daughter moves in with her parents. I'm sleeping in my buddy's mom's fucking Y2K pantry, right? And I started my Instagram page. And it was like, hey, I'm just going to document how we build a company from scratch. And it's literally my day $1. I'm not even licensed yet. And we wanted to stay true to that. I started hashtagging that and telling some of those stories through my Instagram and just showing our development over time. Eli also has an approach of, hey, how do you approach every day? Like it's your day $1.
Yep.
So that's like the ideological. So we definitely said, hey, you know what? We've got a story to tell. Let's start telling that story as far as where we started and what that hustle is. And then once we get everyone caught up as far as where we started, who we are, what we're all about, let's dive into leadership and how, Will from his unique experiences approaches leadership. Let's dive into what we're doing in business and how it applies to that. And we speak a lot on that. And then we also, man, a lot of our topics are just in real time. So whatever and this is why it's so important to still be in the industry, right? Whatever we're dealing with when it comes to our team or transactions and the growing pains that we feel, we literally speak to that in real time. And we want to be those guys that are, on the hustle. We're not out of touch. Like we love
Right.
Grant Cardone's. We love the Ed Milet's. Those are awesome guys, but they're almost so successful. They're out of touch, man, for a lot of people. It's just unrelatable when you're talking about private jets and different things. And fortunately for him and I, where we started, it was recently enough to where you can actually see our start on social media. Some of these guys that are 20 years ago, it just wasn't around. So we definitely want to be those guys that were not romantic and just showed it and documented it in real time and just kind of brought people along for the ride. And when we have guests on, we like talking about their day one and their $0.